Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect Uchat directly to your Facebook ads. So instead of using a JSON payload, which you can also set up by going to your chatbot, tool section, Facebook ads, and you can get a new Facebook payload. Let's say demo, press save, and now we can choose a subflow. And we have a Facebook ads payload here. So that is something that we can do as well. But there is a much simpler option, and that is to create a visual JSON ad. This option tends to be less glitchy than the regular JSON payloads and even this Facebook ads payload. So the way to do this is by going to automations, setting up a keyword. So first, let's create a flow, a really simple flow. Test successful. Let's save this. And now let's go to the automations tab, set up a keyword. Right? So let's do that right now. Set up a new keyword, and the keyword will be demo. But again, for you, it can be anything. I just want to show you how you can connect through Facebook ads. Choose a subflow. Let's go with the demo. And let's press create. Do not forget to enable this if it's not enabled already. And you can also make it a hot word. And a hot word means that even though a subscriber might be inside of a previous conversation, if they type in demo, then they will still go towards this flow. So a really important feature to have. I will just enable it for now. And now I'm going to show you how to set up your Facebook ad in Facebook Ads Manager. And for people who use Scalify to manage all the Facebook ads, which is much more simpler even than the Facebook Ads Manager. So if we go to the Ads Manager inside of Facebook, we can basically create a new campaign. We are going with messages as an objective. Let's press continue. You can give it a name. I will just call it demo for now. And then the campaign objective will be messages. You can set all of this up to your own liking. Also choose your audience and specify that. I will not go over how to create an ad directly and creating your audience, but just to connect your Facebook ad towards Uchat. As you can see here, I just set up a really simple ad. I just added an image, some text, and some headlines. Now, if we scroll all the way down until we reach the message template section, you can go and create a new conversation. Let's say press edit, and then from here we can set up our text. So this text needs to be your call to action to get people into your chatbot, because this message has been sent through your Facebook ad itself. As soon as people are going to respond to this message, then they will end up inside of your messenger bot. So let me write up something really quick and then come back to you. So now that I set up my call to action, so for example, hey Mark, very excited to see you are wanting to level up your chatbot skills, just press the button below or type demo, because that is the keyword that we set up inside of Uchat, right? And connected to the flow that we want to send people to. And now we want to have that clear call to action. So either press the button below or type in demo itself. So the only thing we need to adjust now are these frequently asked questions. What we can do now is by just going to quick replies instead. And the quick reply will be just the word demo, because this again will be the keyword that we set up inside of Uchat. And soon as they interact with this button or type the word demo, that is counted as an interaction for the opt-in to a messenger bot, and then they will get the flow. So now that we set up our template, right, we can also preview this directly inside of Messenger. So let's hit the preview a messenger button. And from here, a message has been sent to you from Mark Vandermeer. Open Messenger on your phone to preview what your experience will look like to customers. So let's open the phone and see if I receive the message. And as you can now see that the keyword was demo, and soon as you filled in the keyword demo, either by typing or by just pressing the button, we now have the connected Uchat flow, and that was test successful. So as you can see, this is the way that you can set up a visual JSON. Well, a lot of users these days are using Scalify to manage their Facebook campaign. So how can you recreate what we just did inside of Facebook Ads Messenger inside of Scalify? It's even simpler to do. So let's jump inside of Scalify and take a look. So let's go to Scalify. Let's go to launch a campaign, launch a targeting ad. And from here, we can either set up an offer if you want to, but it's totally optional. We can go straight to the campaign. We can go with a new campaign. And if we scroll down, we will have messages. So same as in Facebook Ads Manager, you will have the campaign objective messages. So let's go to next. Let's connect a Facebook page and let's go with Messenger. So let's continue. I will just set up a quick audience and then proceed with the video. So now that I set up my ad set, so my audience, basically, we can go to next. From here, we can create our actual Facebook ad. So let's go and create new creatives. We can either go with an AI ad copy from made by Scalify itself, or just go with a custom ad copy. Once selecting your image, we can press next. Then we come to the call to action, and from here we can get any of these options available. For now, let's just use send message, press next. And now we come to the message template, basically the same exact thing that we set up in Facebook Ads Manager to connect towards Uchat using just the keyword trigger. So the way we can set this up right now is just add message template and we'll see the same exact preview. So now that we set this up, right, we can now go to the prospect actions and we can now just use the quick reply just like in the Facebook Ads Manager. From here, we can just say something like demo because that is our keyword that we want to trigger, right? And then we can also do an automated response, but that is not something that we want because we want to let the chatbot take over. We can then save this template. We can publish this campaign. And then we are completely done with setting up our visual JSON ad. And as you saw with the Facebook ads campaign, it works exactly the same. People just press the button, then they will get the connected flow that is triggered by that keyword that we set up inside of the message template. So if you enjoyed this video, consider dropping a like. And if you have any questions, just let me know. If you want to see more of these kinds of videos, just press the subscribe button if you didn't do so already, and the bell notification to the right of it. This way you will get a notification soon as a new video goes live. Have a great day, take care, and talk soon.